today I want to talk to you about legal revenue planning by timekeeper. So let's have a look what that might look like. Again, highly customizable, but here's a recommendation. We're going to deal with 2 or 3 things at once. So here we're dealing with headcount and the target billable hours at the same time. This time we've got the department litigation. If I look at a smaller department like intellectual property and something like Phoenix, we should get a smaller list. But if I'm in a big department like litigation in Philadelphia, we're going to get a longer list. And the budget contributor will choose their responsibility center, and then they'll just run down these lists very quickly. And we can say, well, is there any change to any of these head counts? Do I need to deal with any of that? And if there is, I'll just fill it in. And for Kate Winslet, I'll just fill in here that she's going to have a leave of absence, May to June. And let's change the target billable hours to 1,500 from January. All right, so I've made these 2 changes in this list, but what's happening is in the underlying calculation, it's adding this data here and it's triggering this calculation, exactly what we want. And every single individual calculation is happening simultaneously and instantaneously. So as soon as I add some data, the calculation is updated. That's really powerful. What else can I do? Just another example, something else like this, billing rates and hours realization. Again, just a nice long list. Got a litigation, Philadelphia, and we get that same list up again. And we just run down the list and complete any changes.